What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian. I'm back with another video. Make sure you turn on them damn notifications. Get notified when I make a new video, whenever I got a new post coming. You guys start following my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. I got a lot of content up there. I'm gonna let that intro roll, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got in store today and what I'm actually gonna install and show you guys how it rides.
Hey, ooh, let the money come down, make it rain. Ooh, see me iced out, yeah, I'm super sane. Hey, with the peso, no, I'm blowing case. I will speak to you another way, sway. Ooh, let the money come down, make it rain. Ooh, see me iced out, yeah, I'm super sane. Hey, with the peso, no, I'm blowing case. I will speak to you another way. This is all the nightlife I like, ooh. Take another shot now, baby, make it two. Just another wild night, I give you the blues. Let me take you to another room, hey.
Okay, so I guess I got my camera right. I'm on my seat, as you can tell. It's 2001, so the seat gonna be garbage. So get out my business. So you're supposed to, whew, it's hot as hell. Supposed to at least take this off. I believe it 3/4 work. Shit. All right, so you take this off. Obviously mine is kind of garbage, as you can see. Don't forget this, the electrical clip, just kind of, these tabs right here should come right out. So look at that, man. Look at that. It's just garbage. It's 4 bolts, and I believe there are 4 10mm bolts. All right, guys, now I got the bolts out. Let's see if we can get it up. You have 4 13mm bolts, so make sure you get all 4 of these 13mm bolts, and then we'll get to step 3. So you take all 4 of these bolts out, and then pretty much like lift this thing out. This little plastic thing, this little thing they got on here, I don't know what it is really. Make sure you take all the CB weld off, because you're gonna have a whole bunch of CB weld around, and make sure you got some CB weld with you to put on here actually. But you're gonna have to take this thing off right here, and you're gonna have to put it on the new one. Now what you go do is you go buy this, some JB weld. Yeah, well, y'all just go get pretty much a good old gasket maker. Make sure all that sludge and gump and goop is off your goobers. There it goes, right there, guys. Pop that bitch, right? Oh shit. So obviously it needed to be some. Don't try this at home. Should line right up once you get that in there. Then use the new bolts and put it back in. Ooh. Ooh. You guys. Oh. Yes, sir. I had to change my shirt. It started getting hot. My titties started sweating. Enough about titties. Let's see if this thing, you know, let's get straight to it. A little time. The neutral is like literally stiff as hell. Now I gotta get my AC going. It is so stiff, like, and then neutral, oh God. Oh, I'm not used to this at all. Okay, I'm gonna be totally honest, this shit, oh, once I get the hang of this, I know this is gonna be perfect. That's crazy. cop right there. And I am not gonna floor it. Not at all. Oh, it is perfect downshifts. Oh, wow. Okay, so fourth, I have a problem with fourth. I think I need a new throwout bearing. That's why you guys heard it scrape. And I thought if I put this short throw shifter in, it would kind of stop the scraping. But I see that, honestly, nothing's going to stop that until I get it fixed. But other than that, that's fourth right there. I usually hold the clutch. I mean, yeah, don't get on me about it. But this thing is perfect. I'm not going to lie. Since I'm used to the old one, I'm not used to grabbing all the way down here. But when you take it and put it in neutral, it's just normal car. It's almost like driving a freaking automatic, how easy this is. You guys, don't get mad at me, but I think I just killed a butterfly. My bad. See how downshifting is. Okay. Oh, all right. Get a short throw shifter. I don't care what no one tells you. And make sure you get this fixed, because it's just gonna hang. Make sure you get a short throw shifter. This is completely worth it. Like, other than this part, like me grabbing it so far, obviously because it's an old ass car, this thing is perfect. No play, like none at all. Like there's no play, no play. Easy install. It only took me what, shit, forever. Easy bolts on. It gets rid of all that play, all that throw, the old shift knob. And honestly, I love Ford. Don't get me wrong, I'm used to this old one, but I've never been used to this smaller one. And it seems like for these older cars, this is probably what they should have made from the factory. Yes, sir. Or get on your shit, cause this is it. This is it. Understand? But it did, and God. When it comes down to like first and third, a lot of people have that problem where they put it in first, they think they put it in first, they put it in third. I would honestly say I still like this shifter. I've done that a couple of times at the lights where I thought I was in first and I was straight up in third, and my car was like, what the hell you think you're doing? But other than that, once you get the hang of it, you know what I'm saying, that little tight grip, once you get the hang of it, you get to do shit like, you know what I'm saying, you get to do shit like that. Right. Alright, y'all, let's see how this reverses. I heard these reverses are kind of okay. Well, all right.
Guys, once again, you know what I'm saying? Glory to God.